with a height h and m and n have been marked. With that understanding, we will go for some simple formulas. H square. So this perpendicular height h square is equal to m into n. M into n. We'll understand what is the Pythagoras theorem. AC square. So h square, uh, or rather the hypotenuse square, is equal to the height square plus base square, or AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This gentleman Pythagoras came out with this theorem, and this comes pretty handy when we are solving right angle triangle problems. Extension of this h is equal to AC by B. So this h is equal to the base A into the height of the triangle C by B, the hypotenuse. AC by B is the length of the perpendicular that has been dropped. And we all know the area is base into height by 2. Important to note these two things, these three rather. This is relevant only in case of right angle triangle. Okay, so let's go further and understand the two variants we are going to play around with: 30 60 90 right angle triangle and 45 45 90 right angle triangle, or the isosceles right angle triangle. But what's so important about it is that in a 30 60 90 means a right angle triangle. Obviously, right angle triangle means one angle is 90 degrees. The other two angles are 30 degrees and 60 degrees. We learned that the side opposite to the largest is going to be the largest angle is going to be the longest side, and the one against the smallest angle is going to be the shortest side. The ratio of the sides will be 1 is to root 3 is to 2. So if this is A, this will be A root 3, and this is going to be twice A. For our convenience, we are understanding, we don't have to derive a formula here. So in a 30 60 90 right angle triangle, again I am repeating, the side opposite to 30 degrees will be, if this is 1, then the side opposite to 60 degrees will be root 3. The side opposite to 90 degrees will be twice of A. Similarly, in a 45 45 90 right angle triangle, which is an isosceles right angle triangle, because obviously 45 degrees each, so the sides the sides will be the same. The ratio of the sides will be 1 is to 1 is to root 2. So if this is A, this will be A, this will be A root 2. Think about it this way. This is a right angle triangle, isosceles right angle triangle. I can extend this like this. So it's actually square broken into 2. If I draw a square, and if I draw a line like this, okay, then the sides become A and A root 2. Simple Pythagoras theorem, which is this part, is actually square of these two.